Looking for affiliate niches that actually pay in 2025? Forget generic product links. Let's dive into high-converting, evergreen niches that have real demand. First up, we have AI tools and automation. With everyone jumping on the AI bandwagon, tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Pictory are gaining massive traction. They all come with affiliate programs that offer commissions ranging from 30 to 50%. And the best part? These are recurring commissions. As more people integrate AI into their daily lives, promoting these tools can lead to a steady income stream. Next, let's talk about financial tools and credit apps. The demand for budgeting apps, credit builders, and fintech solutions is skyrocketing. Think of platforms like Rocket Money or Experian Boost. These services convert quickly, especially among new users looking to improve their financial health. Promoting these tools not only helps your audience, but can also lead to impressive payouts. Moving on to online courses and creator platforms. With the rise of the creator economy, platforms like Kajabi, Podia, and StanStore are becoming essential for anyone looking to launch their own courses. Many of these platforms pay over $100 per sign-up, making them incredibly lucrative. Creators are eager for tools that help them get started quickly, and you can be the one to connect them with the right resources. E-commerce and print-on-demand tools are another goldmine. Platforms like Printify and Etsy launch kits are perfect for new sellers or those looking to tap into the TikTok shop craze. The print-on-demand model allows for minimal upfront investment, making it attractive for aspiring entrepreneurs. By promoting these tools, you can earn commissions while helping others turn their creative ideas into profitable businesses. Lastly, let's not overlook digital templates and packs. From Notion templates to resume kits, these products convert like crazy. You can either create your own or refer others, earning anywhere from 20 to 40% in commissions. The beauty of digital products is that they require no inventory and can be sold repeatedly, making them a fantastic affiliate option. Now, where should you promote these niches? Utilizing a link in bio tool like Beacons or Stan can streamline your promotions. Share niche tools in TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, or Pinterest posts to reach a wider audience. Offering a bonus or a checklist can also significantly increase your conversion rates, making your promotions even more effective. The secret to success in affiliate marketing isn't just about promoting what's popular. It's about selecting tools that genuinely solve real problems. Choose a niche that resonates with you, test your links, and focus on building those recurring commissions. With the right approach, you can create a sustainable income stream in the affiliate marketing landscape of 2025.